Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in calculating or solving mathematics question on different levels. Today in this video, I am going to solve algebraic expressions exercise 6.1 question number 2, publication house Goel Brothers Prakashan, question number 2, class 8. So in this video, as we all know, we have been given 5ab is to be multiplied by minus 2a square plus 3ab. In my previous video, I have explained that the numbers, or you can say constants, will be multiplied with constants, and variables, same variables, will be multiplied by same variables only. And we also know how to multiply the variables. We have studied it in the chapter exponents also. So if any variable with power is multiplied, so its power will get added. So let's check it out how to solve this question. So first of all, 5ab by means 5ab is getting multiplied by both of these expressions. So we can write it like 5ab multiplied by minus 2a square, then plus sign will be intact, and then 5ab will be multiplied with 3ab also. Clear? So in my previous video, we have learned how to multiply numbers with numbers, or you can say constants with constants, and variables with variables. So 5 and minus 2 will get minus 10. A and a square, when it get multiply, the powers will be added, so it will become a cube. And no b is here, only single b of 5ab, so it will like this, plus, and this 5 will get multiplied by this 3. So what number we will get? 15. A and a will become a square, and b will become b square. So what will be our answer? Our answer would be minus 10 a cube b plus 15 a square b square. Now come to the second part. So in part 2, 4xy will be multiplied by 16x square y square, then subtract 4xy, then again will be multiplied by 12x square y cube. So in our next step, as I have already explained, that constants will get multiplied with constants, and variables will get multiplied by variables only. So 16 4s are 4 6 are 24, 4 1s are 4, and 2 64. X and x square will become x cube, and y square will become y cube. Now negative sign, then 4xy will be multiplied by 12x square y cube. 12 4s are 48. X and x square would become x cube, and y cube and y would become y raised to the power 4, which is our answer. Hope this is clear. So third part is 13a square b minus 7abc plus 15b square c by 4abc. What does it mean? It means 4abc will get multiplied by 13a square b, and then minus 7abc, and then positive 15b square c. So let's check it out how to write this. We will write 13a square b and 4abc, minus sign here, so we will put minus here also. 7abc, 4abc again, then positive sign, 15 b square c 4abc. So in our next step, so 13 fours are 54, 52. A square and a will become a cube. B and b will become b square, as no c except this, so this c will come as it is. Now minus sign, 7 fours are 28, a and a square, b and b square, c and c square. Then positive sign, 15 fours are 60. No a is here, so we will write single a. B square and b will become b cube, and c will become c square. So this is our answer. Hope everything is clear. Now come to the fourth part. So how to solve fourth part? So here 4t square plus 6p square minus 12p square t square q is to be multiplied by minus 1 by 2 pqt. So how we will write? We will write it as individually as we have written in our earlier parts. So 4 will be multiplied by minus 1 by 2. Then t square, and we can write it as this dot means multiplication, pqt. Then this is done with this, then positive sign. Now 6 will be multiplied by minus 1 by 2. Again p square will be multiplied by pqt. This is done with this. Now minus sign. 12 will be multiplied by minus 1 by 2. Now p square, t square, q will be multiplied by p, q, t. Hope this step is clear. In our next step, we will do cancellation. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So minus 2 t square and t will become t cube, p and q. This is done. Now plus 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So minus 3 p square and p will become p cube, q and t. This is also done. Now come to this. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Minus 6. P square and p will become p cube. T square and t will become t cube. And q will become q square. Now open up the bracket. So what would be our answer? Minus 2 t cube p cube plus minus will become minus only. Minus 3 p cube q t, and this minus and minus will turn into positive sign. So 6 p cube t cube q square will be our answer. Hope fourth part is clear. So one thing is to be very much clear. If some variable has 0 as its power, what does it mean? It means that would be equal to 1 only. So in here fifth part, t raised to the power 0, that means 1. So the whole expression is getting multiplied by 1 only. So how would we write? Let's check it out. 3t cube p cube q cube minus 6t square p square q square plus 12 tp cube is getting multiplied by what? T raised to the power 0, that would be equal to 1. So if something is getting multiplied by 1, what does it mean? It means the answer would be that particular thing only. So our answer will be, as the whole expression is multiplied by 1, so our answer will remain the same. So answer is 3t cube p cube q cube minus 6 t square p square q square plus 12 t p q is our answer for fifth part. Hope the fifth part is clear. So in sixth part we are supposed to multiply 15x square by 7x square plus 9x minus x raised to the power 0. So I have explained it earlier. If some variable has raised to the power 0, what does it mean? It will be equal to 1 only. So first of all we will write 7x square plus 9x minus 1. So 15x square is getting multiplied by 7x square first, then 9x, then minus 1. So 15 into 7 would be equal to 105. X square and x square will become x raised to the power 4. Positive sign. Now this 15x square is getting multiplied by 9x. So 15 into 9 will be equal to 135. X square and x will become x cube. And 15x square is getting multiplied by 1 only. So what would be answer? Answer would be 15x square itself. So answer for fifth part is 105 x raised to the power 4 plus 135 x cube minus 15x square. This is our answer. Hope the question number 2, all the parts are clear of exercise 6.1, publication house Goel Brothers Prakashan, class 8 algebraic expressions. So if you like my video or if it is somewhere helpful to you, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much.